Welcome to Out of the World, and you're still watching our beautiful trip in Asia. You saw us landing in Kuala Lumpur the last time, the biggest city here in West Malaysia. But now we moved on to see the nature. We're in the jungle at Taman Negara. We make this incredible journey together with Pangea Travel and started the adventure in the big city. KL is a major metropolis. For our big trip in West Malaysia, of course, we rented a car. And the first stop is about 4 hours away from Kuala Lumpur in Taman Negara, the best jungle in West Malaysia. Let's go! During our first long drives, the city slowly gives way to the overwhelming nature. Malaysia is located near the equator and 2/3 of the country is tropical rainforest. Wow, guys! We're almost at Taman Negara, and I was looking around me and I thought, wow, this is what you want in Malaysia. The jungle, all the palm trees around us. We're gonna park the car on the side of the river and then we're gonna cross with a boat towards our hotel this night because we're sleeping inside the national park. We arrived just in time at the jetty to take the boat to cross the river towards the jungle where we sleep in the national park because it's raining cats and dogs and we are dry just on time. Mother Nature is watering the plants today, and it's all part of the adventure because on average it rains here almost 20 days a month. But the showers are short and heavy. Oh my god, guys, what a trip. We're finally here in the jungle and this is our cabin with the raindrops on the rooftop. Loving it. We're having a late night dinner and then we're off to a good night's sleep between the sounds of the jungle. Taman Negara is the most important national park in West Malaysia. It's about 4,300 square kilometers big and the animals you can find here are elephants, wild pigs, deer, tapirs and leopards. But the chance you get to see them is really small because the jungle is so dense. We're gonna try and see some of them and make a little jungle walk today. At the start of our hike, we immediately see a lot of monkeys. And from the resort, you can walk straight into the wilderness. Look at this golden orb spider. After a walk of approximately 45 minutes through the jungle, we arrive at the literal highlight of today, which is the Canopy Walk. We're gonna explore the jungle between the treetops and hop from bridge to all the platforms. Super cool. With a length of 530 meters, this is the longest continuous suspension bridge in the entire world. From the treetops we see these spectacled langurs between the trees. And also these hornbills.
It's a lovely new day again in jungle paradise, Taman Negara. And today we're gonna make a little boat ride, go for a new adventure, because after half an hour we're gonna go on land somewhere and visit a beautiful waterfall.
We sail for at least an hour on the Tembeling River, far outside of civilization.
On the way to the waterfall, we stop at the highest and oldest tree in the entire area. This tree is 70 meters high and it's about 400 years old. They call it a tualang tree. And to walk around it takes me about half a minute.
And there we spot the first wild animals. In the late afternoon, these elephants emerge along the river. We make a quick stop along the way to feed the fish. This local carp species is called kela. We walk a bit further alongside the river on our way to the most beautiful spot of this jungle, and suddenly almost step on this striped bronzeback snake. And there we are in the middle of the Lata Berko waterfall, a breathtaking place in the middle of the mighty tropical rainforest. It almost looks like a painting.
This trip was also worth it very much. We saw so much of the jungle, but now we're moving on, heading to the car and traveling on through Malaysia.
Continue traveling with us in the coming weeks to see even more of Malaysia, as we drink the famous tea of the Cameron Highlands and also visit the Pearl of the Orient, Penang. To conclude our road trip in Malaysia on the beautiful island of Langkawi. So subscribe and don't miss anything. See you soon!